Okay, so I've been wondering like should I start to collect consultation fee? Because okay, why am I saying this? Okay, because I feel that a lot of people, I've been getting a lot of enquiries from a lot of people, and people are always there's always this few group of people that always is the people that wondering if they should upgrade to a condo, people that wondering what they should do with their MOP. So I think a lot of people they bought a HDB on their 5th year, they start to wonder what should they do. Okay, so I'm going to do a video on this. So in the next few episodes you will have a video on this. So I will have all these enquiries like should I do this, should I do that, should I do this, what should I do, can I afford that, can I afford this. Okay, I just want to put this video out, right, because I've been having a lot of these enquiries, and I've been having very weird happenings. Okay, you see, I don't collect consultation fee as an agent, so I only collect service fee when I do your selling or purchase for you. So let's say you want to buy a new launch, then I represent you, I bring you down to the new launch, I get a referral fee from a developer. Then if let's say you want to sell your property, then I earn from you when I sold your property off. So a lot of times I provide you with a lot of consultation. I let you know whether is it worthy or not. I require you to engage my services, because I have some clients that they actually come to me, ask me for a lot of advice, then in the end they went to buy themselves. Then they didn't like want to engage me. Then I also have very weird occurrence that people ask me for advice, then end up they get their friends to sell. Then it's like, I don't make like a monthly pay from this. So I've always been wondering I should collect a consultation fee, because it's very weird, like a consultation fee for consultation, then when you engage me I'll reimburse back to you or something. But I mean, I'm still wondering and pondering about this. But yeah, so I want to do this video because I want next time when you guys got any questions for me, this is the reason. Sometimes I just want to, it's not that I'm trying to be very frank, it's not that I'm trying to be like too direct. I just hope you understand why, because I've met a lot of these people. Some people have spoken to me for 4-5 hours, then in the end they go and buy themselves. And some people spoken to me for 5 hours, then tell me that they need to engage their friend because they already promised their friend. Then it's like you are taking my advice and going to look for I don't really understand how it works. But yeah, I spoken to some of my customers about this, and the customer like, why got people think like that one? Why got people do like that one? It's so unethical. Yeah, I know where you're coming from. That's also how I feel, but not everyone feel the same way. So I'm putting this out. So I'm not collecting consultation fee as of now, but I require you to engage my services if you need advice from me or you need help from me and all these things, because that's the only way I can make a living out of it and give food to my baby. Okay, so thank you for watching this episode. Actually, it's not more like episode, it's more like I just want to put this as a reminder. Okay, so thank you for watching, and hit the subscribe button, and I see you in my next episode.